think I needed to hydrate for this one because it might take a while or it might not. I don't know. We'll see. It's your girl, Sade D, and I'm back with another video about Instagram because that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about first. So last week we talked about having your profile ready for potential clients and customers. This week we're going to talk about how we target those potential clients and customers. Now, one thing that I found is that local businesses get on Instagram and they think, okay, as soon as we get on Instagram, it is going to be amazing. Like, we're going to pull so much traffic from Instagram. Like, it's going to catapult our local business through the roof. And that's going to be our it factor. A couple of things. So you can't just get on Instagram and automatically just get traffic in your physical business, like your in-store business. It doesn't necessarily work that way, but I'm here to tell you how to target your local clients and customers to come and get foot traffic in your local business. So first things first, when you are posting on Instagram, like I was telling you last week, make sure you have your target audience in mind. Your target audience is the group of people that need the product or service that you're offering. Keep them in mind every time you're posting. Every time you post something, you want to definitely be talking directly to your target audience. No one else. Don't cast a wide net. Talk directly to your target audience. Got that? Okay. So, the way that you talk directly to your target audience, know what they want, know what they care about, know what they need. Offer all of that in your posts, in your videos, in every type of content that you roll out. Offer exactly what they need, what they care about, what they want, and offer it in a way that makes sense to them. That's number one. Now, in order to find this target audience whom you will be talking to every time that you post, there are a couple of things that you can do as a local business to find the people that you want bringing foot traffic into your physical location. Number one, you want to always use location tags, because when you use location tags, for example, I always use Fort Lauderdale. Now, I am not strictly bound to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, but I use that often because I know that Fort Lauderdale is a big metropolitan area that has a lot of small businesses. Now, can I use other cities all over? Of course, because I don't have a physical shop where I want people to come in and bring traffic. Now, for your business as a local business owner, you always want to either tag your city that you're located in or tag some big shop or area, well-known area in your city where you know that your customers will be. Tag that, put that as your location tag whenever you're posting. Every time. Not sometimes. Don't forget it. Put your location tag there. The next thing I was going to say, whenever you post, when you're using your hashtags, I know a lot of people like to say, oh, hashtags don't work. Don't waste your time with hashtags. Erase that. As a local business, you want to use hashtags that are common to your local area. Again, using Fort Lauderdale as an example, you want to do hashtag Broward County, hashtag Fort Lauderdale. Anything that relates to your area specifically, you definitely want to sprinkle a couple of those hashtags in there so that when people are searching for those hashtags or when people are looking for those location tags, They're looking for them because that's where they are, and that's who you want in your store. The next thing, a nice little trick to use, and it's going to sound a little bit cheesy, but you may want to, number one, follow your local news station or some very large account that has a lot of people from your area there. I think it's always a cool trick to follow your local news station, because a lot of people, locals typically follow the news station because they want to know what's happening, what's going on. News anchors, like public figures or locations in your city that have a large following, you want to follow them, and you want to make sure you're commenting not just random comments on their posts, but meaningful comments that tie back to your business. Always do that so that you can catch the eye of those locals in the area that you want to be bringing foot traffic into your business. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Doing these little tricks and like kind of using what people to be like looking for, or people to be these hashtags that you think that locals are using, or these location tags, they are going to see your business. They are going to come across your posts because it's going to populate in that hashtag feed. It's going to populate in that location tag feed. People are going to see it, and eventually they're going to start saying, let me see what this business is about. And then, my friend, is when you'll get the foot traffic. So I hope this helps, and make sure you do this on every one of your posts. If you like this tip, go ahead and click the subscribe button below.